Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. We've got cookies today. We'll start with the espresso chip cookie. Not too much espresso flavor. I'm not a huge fan of coffee, and I like the cookies, so that's pretty good. Halloween mug. Okay, we tried that one. This one, coconut cherry bomb with chocolate chips. If I can open it, that would be amazing. Oh no, what is happening? Okay, we got it. Ooh, looks like it has a lot of cherries in it. Look at that. This is a good bite. That was a big bite. I like this one. It's like the perfect combo of like slightly fruity with the cherries and then chocolatey. It's pretty good. It sounds like a weird combo, but it's good. And last, because it's fall, well, I know it's not technically fall, but we're getting into the fall season. Pumpkin spice, of course. Now, I usually do not buy pumpkin spice stuff just because I don't think to do so. I like pumpkin pie, but I'm not crazy for it. But I feel like I had to do it, you know? Color. Nice, pretty. almost bit off more than I could chew. Now I get that reference. Tastes like Thanksgiving. I think the reason why I'm not that I don't like pumpkin spice, but the taste kind of reminds me of how a candle would taste. I know that sounds strange, but I don't know, man. I like it, but I feel like too much is just like, I feel like I'm eating a candle. I know I've never tried a candle, okay? Let's do this one. Oof. Actually the same cookies from this company, alternative baking company. They're good. They are thick though. Oh my goodness. Messy city. Let's take another bite of espresso. I like how the chocolate chips are like speckled. Do it when they eat like an entire cake or something. Props to you guys, because I get sugared out so quick. Like, I haven't even finished one cookie and I feel like I'm like so over the sugar already. least one more bite. Okay. What do I want to take a bite of? That is the question. Let's end it on a pumpkin note. Let's do that. Today. Sorry I didn't finish all of it. It's just, these are really thick and they're really sweet. I don't know who I thought I was trying all these cookies, but we'll eat them throughout the week. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you have an awesome rest of your week, and I will see you in the next